Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Tribune 101. Sorry, guys, for the past few days, I didn't post any videos for Saturday and Sunday. The reason why I didn't post any videos because it's a family, it's time for the weekend. Sometimes you gotta take your time. You gotta be take time with the family, spend the time, relax, clear your head. But that doesn't mean that I was not doing anything. I was doing some researches, and next thing you know, I find be better at it because every day you gotta learn something because something new coming and every day. Starting for next week or next 2 days, I'm gonna start doing videos about indicators, so you can always follow along, and then the next thing you know, from which indicators is most likely tradable or most likely profitable. That's what I'm looking for. Because some indicators they are really tricky, and some of them they are very reliable on making money. As myself, I don't use a lot of indicators as myself, and it's protect also my um portfolio and also protect my sanity because you gotta see the point that you gotta protect your sanity when you got too much joy on your computer, stuff like that. You gotta realize that this thing gonna drive crazy regardless or not because too many things on the um on the dashboard, and the next thing you know, people are going like crazy, and next thing you know, acting up. So I totally understand that ideology, and I totally see it because I myself I was a victim of that once I started trading because because I didn't understand why he's occur, but I finally understand why simplicity is the most thing you can do in your life. Especially that's why I use those indicators. I use stochastic, and I use MA moving average, and sometimes EMA moving average. And the next thing you know, you can make money that way. And I usually ask this indicator you should go for trend indicator, oscillators, and next thing you know, moving indicators. Those at least if you put at least three of those, at least you're gonna be able. If you put the right number, you're gonna be able to help you a lot, especially when the price. And then the next thing you know, you gotta look at also the market capital. The market capital gonna make impact on you because now you're gonna see which market is better for you. For example, the capital, if it's when there's a more capital, that's mean there's a more volatility. The volatility can be your friend, it can be against you, but be careful of that. That's what I'm gonna say about that because a lot of people make that mistake of doing that, and then yeah, just be do what you gotta do. And on top of that, you gotta know also is you gotta know the right time to buy. For example, if the car goes above 10%, 20%, you already told it. You gotta know that and also pay attention with also with the way the market move because sometimes the market can be twisted, and you should pay attention to that as well. And yeah, so if you do that, it doesn't have to be the way I do it. It can be any way you feel comfortable. That's what I tell people. Do the example that's better for you, the thing that you feel comfortable because at the end of the day it's your money, your decision, and then you gotta make sure it's behaved the way you do. And yesterday on Saturday Friday, I mean on Friday there's a stock I was mentioning, CAT, that was moving nice, Caterpillar. And you can see it dip. It was a 379, now it's 377. So it dipped. So basically, that's probably a cool off. And then we have CAH, which is Cardino. As you can see, it move up. Now you got a dip. You see, right now it's 117 because it crossed over there and it's moving, which is very nice. Those are the indicator that was moving on Friday. And we have CHD stretch and trade, and then you see that also is move as well. The reason why this move because they have a breakthrough Friday, and then the rally keep going on today. And the stock I was watching on Friday, Is HON. HON, the stock I was watching. It was at 2.7 and then now it go to 2.9. And hopefully I want it to go to 2.10, hopefully. But the market can do whatever they want. And I see right here it cross right here and I want it to go higher. Let me see the 2 hours. You see the 2 hours, the price go there and it's trying to break that EMF MA50, but unfortunately it didn't break through. It's trying to have a cool off there. So I don't mind the cool off because the market just opened automatically right now. And as you can see, it was 209 and right now it just go to 207, which is either a lot of people selling out or either there's a lot of things going on on the market. Again, it's early, it's just Monday, and Monday do whatever it do best, and then um, destroy your option. And the option I bought is 215. I bought the 215 for 30, 30, and I'm willing to sell it for 270 or 290. If you go to 210, I'm gonna sell it to 270, 290 though. So I'm waiting for it to go back to 209. If it goes back, good. But if it doesn't go back, so it's still early. So just market just start open. So I'm not in a rush. The market's just open. So I'm not gonna be go cuckoo crazy about that. And we'll see how it turn out. And it's right now it's moving nicely. Let me secure profit because I'm not gonna fall for that nonsense right now. Let me secure profit. Um, because you never go wrong on profit. And that's why people don't tell you. You never go wrong securing profit. Oh, shoot. Yeah. So you never go wrong securing profit. And that's the whole idea of it. So we're gonna see the market just open now. It's kind of early, so let's stay tuned. I'm gonna hold it. It most likely, usually when the stock market go like that, it make you push your newbie out there. And I think once the market, like, since election, a lot of people are scarcity to, I totally understand the scarcity, but at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. But like I said, when you go to 208 or 8, most likely go to 210. So if you go to 210, that's a good opportunity. But most likely it looks like it's gonna fight to go to 10. So I'm waiting for it to set for my order to fill in. If it's not going today, I know by this week it's gonna go that way regardless. So I'm not worried about that. So which is kinda early. So this is stock I'm watching, and there's another stock that's was moving nice is EMGN was moving nice on Friday, and then today, as you can see, you were able to cross, but it's moving down a little bit. And people are confusing about the market, how's the things going on. I'm not gonna be rushed straight like crazy. I'm just gonna be able to I'm just gonna stay and then watch it going on because it's too early to make any rush decision right now. It's too early to go and do whatever like now. All you gotta do right now is focus on your strategy. The strategy can take more time than it used to be, but you gotta focus on it. Keep going on. And Monday, a lot of people are selling because election is tomorrow, and a lot of people also buying because election is tomorrow. And yeah, Buffett sell out a lot, so because we're gonna see what's going on. So Yes, guys, and I'm not gonna be stay long, and then this is my take for the day. Just like I'm watching. If you want to know which monster I'm watching, stay tuned. And then on my Discord, if you have a question, link down below, ask a question on my Discord. And then next thing you know, be part of the journey. And then next thing you know, if you have a comment, I'll be gladly to. And that's my intake for today. Right now, I'm watching HON and give up a whatever is your decision. And then you can share or subscribe. And we'll see you next one. And that's next one.